Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at this 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. It's got a 3-inch zone off-road lift on it, some 17x9 fuel vectors, some 35 1250 R17 Federal mud terrain tires, some Smittybilt XRC Fender Flares, the skinny metal ones, some Smittybilt 3-inch running boards, some e-auto grills, half metal doors. You can buy them on Amazon or eBay. And then on the back we got some tail light covers. Now real quick, tips and tricks with the zone off-road lift. The bump stops for the front coils, they require you to drill them and then put them on the bottom of the boot for the front spring. Make sure that when you install it, you put the bump stop inside of the spring and then install the spring onto the axle. If you try to go ahead and bolt down the bump stop and then you've got to get the axle 2 or 3 more inches further down before you can put the spring on, you will not be able to do it. Besides that, the zone lift is very simple and easy to install. You've got a rear track bar bracket that you just drill one hole, I believe one hole, put the bolts on it, put the relocation bracket on it, throw the track bar back in, and you're good to go. You put your rear sway bar links up to the front, and then you get new rear sway bar links. The Smittybilt XRC Fender Flares, they're a great game-changing look for a Jeep. They don't cost very much. You can pick them up on our website, you can pick them up on Amazon, 4-wheel parts, it doesn't really matter. And they're easy to install. You for sure can do it at your house, in your garage. You don't need any tools, just a couple wrenches and some screwdrivers. Our tip though is to make sure that you put your inner fenders back into it. And what you'll want to do is you'll want to take like a razor blade or an X-Acto knife and cut them out of your factory fenders so that you can install them back in. Otherwise, if you don't install the inner fenders, you'll be able to see into your engine compartment. Now your rear inner fenders, they don't really matter as much because you've already got a wall protecting it. These e-auto grill doors, I love them for the price. They are phenomenal. For like $450, you can get them with the mirrors. You install them yourselves, but it's not very difficult. And the best part is the locking mechanism. On a body armor or even our half metal doors, the locking mechanism shifts and moves and you have to adjust it accordingly. This one just has a couple adjustment bolts and the rest of it's stationary. Besides that, Smittybilt rails, piece of cake to install. He's got some wild bore grab handles. Those are also very easy to install. And then a spider web shade made by either Spiderweb or Rugged Ridge. Everybody's starting to come out with them. Great top. It allows you to still be able to see through, but it protects you from the sun. And here in Texas in the summer, it gets hot. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want to buy these parts, whether it's the tires, the wheels, the lift, the fenders, the rails, the doors, not the doors because they're e-auto grills, but if you want to buy some of our doors, the shade, the grab handles, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let us get your parts shipped out today. Also, if you're looking at this Jeep and you're saying, Michael, I wish I could just buy this Jeep, already lifted, already built. I'm looking at buying a Jeep and then I'd bring it to you and have you build it, but it would just be so much easier if I could just buy it already done. Go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, and we're gonna start posting vehicles that we've built for dealers that are on the market ready to sell to you today. And the hope would be that you can find the one that you like, that you love, contact that dealer and get it bought and never have to bring it to us until you want to start doing some more upgrades, like some front bumpers or a 10th anniversary hood or a grill or re-gearing or stuff like that. So again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.